we are starting with area under a curve. Now suppose this is a curve given, okay, suppose this is given as y equals to f of x, and we have to find area under this curve from the point A to B. So basically we have to find this shaded area. Now suppose we have circle or a rectangle or a square, we have particular formulas to find area of these shapes, but this is not a particular shape, so we don't have formula to find area under this curve. But using integration we can find area under this curve. So how do we find area? Now this function is given as f of x. So area under this curve f of x from A to B can be given as integral of f of x dx from interval A to B. So we are going to find area under this curve from the point A to B. Okay, that is integral of function f of x with respect to x from A to B. Let us look at this example. We have to find area of the region bounded by the curve y equals to 2x, x axis, and the lines x equals to 3 and x equals to 6. Let us draw this first. Okay. So what is the curve given? Y equals to 2x, right? So it will look like this, something like this. This is the origin, x axis and y axis. Now we have to find area under this curve. Okay, it's a straight line basically, and x axis from the point x equals to 3 to x equals to 6. So we have to find this region, area of this shaded region. So we have to find area from this 3 to this 6, and the function of this curve is given as y equals to 2x. So what will be the area? Area is integral of f of x with respect to x from A to B. So what is function? Function is given as 2x with respect to x, and A is 3, B is 6. So we have to find area under this curve y equals to 2x from the point 3 to 6. So interval is 3 to 6. Now let us integrate this. 2 is a constant. Integral of x is x square by 2. Now since we are dealing with definite integral, we are not taking the constant, and this is from 3 to 6. So this 2 will get cancelled, the remaining is x square from 3 to 6. Now just we have to substitute this. So it will be 6 square minus 3 square. 6 square is 36, 3 square is 9, which is equals to 27. So the area under this curve is 27. Next question, it is similar to the previous one. Again we have to find area of the region bounded by the curve y equals to 3x square minus 6x plus 7, x axis, and the lines x equals to 1 and x equals to 4. So this curve will look something like this. Okay, this is y equals to 3x square minus 6x plus 7, and we have to find area under this curve x axis. Okay, this is the x axis, y axis, and the line x equals to 1 to x equals to 4. So basically we have to find this region. Okay. So how do we find this? We just have to find integral of this particular function from the point 1 to 4. So area under this curve is integral of the function 3x square minus 6x plus 7 with respect to x from point 1 to 4. Okay. 3 is a constant. Integral of x square, x cube by 3, minus 6 is a constant. Integral of x, x square by 2, 7 is a constant. Integral of 1 is x, and interval is from 1 to 4. This 3 will get cancelled. 2 3s are 6. So what we have left is x cube minus 3x square plus 7x from 1 to 4. So substitute it. Let us substitute 4. This is 4 cube minus 3 times 4 square plus 7 times 4 minus 1 cube is 1 minus 3 times 1 square is 1 plus 7 times 1 is 7. What is 4 cube? 16 into 4, 64 minus 48 plus 28 minus this is plus 4 and 1 5. So, this will be minus 5. So, 64 minus this 25 which is equals to 39. So, the area under this curve and the x axis, okay, the area bounded by this curve x axis and this lines 1 and 4 is nothing but 39. Next question, we have to find the area of the region bounded by x axis, the curve xy equals to 1 and the lines 1 and 4. So, the curve in this case is given as xy equals to 1. So, we can write this curve as y equals to 1 upon x. Okay. So, we have to find area under this curve 1 upon x, x axis and lines 1 to 4. So, how do we find area? Area is integral of f of x with respect to x from a to b. Now, what is your f of x? F of x is nothing but 1 upon x. So, area under this curve 1 upon x and x axis from the point 1 to 4. Now, what is integral of 1 upon x? Integral of 1 upon x is log of x and the interval is given as 1 to 4. So, substitute it. This will be log of 4 minus log of 1 and we know that log of 1 is nothing but 0. So, we can write this as log of 4 minus 0 which is nothing but log of 4. Okay, another question. We have to show that the area enclosed by the curve y equals to 4x cube minus 3x square, x axis and the ordinates at x equals to 1 and x equals to 2 is 8. So, basically we have to prove that the area enclosed by this curve x axis and this 2 ordinate is nothing but 8. Okay. Let us find area. So, what is area? Area is integral of y with respect to x from 1 to 2. In this case, it is given as 1 to 2. So, the area under the curve 4x cube minus 3x square with respect to x from 1 to 2. Now, let us integrate this. 4 is a constant, integral of x cube x raised to power 4 by 4 minus 3 is a constant, integral of x square is x cube by 3 from the point 1 to 2. This 4 will get cancelled, this 3 also will get cancelled. So, what is remaining? X raised to power 4 minus x raised to power 3 from point 1 to 2. Now, let us substitute. So, our x is given as 1 and 2. So, let us substitute upper interval first. So, this will be 2 raised to power 4 minus 2 raised to power cube or 2 raised to power 3 minus, now we have to substitute lower interval, that is 1 raised to power 4 which is 1 minus 1 raised to power cube. So, we can write this as 16 minus 8 minus 1 minus 1. Now, this 1 minus 1 is 0. So, what we have is 16 minus 8 minus 0 which is equals to 8. So, we have proved that the area under this curve, okay, enclosed by this curve and x axis in between 1 to 2 is 8.